Hello guys, welcome to the Go Code Snippets channel. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and if you like this video after watching, make sure you like and also share the video. So this channel is about the Go programming language, and today we'll be talking about dealing with text and HTML templates using Go. So the first thing we'll be talking about is parsing templates, and to parse templates, we'll call the function parse file from package templates from the standard library. So parse files takes in a variety parameter of strings, which is the name of the template you want to pass. So in my project structure here, I have three files. These three files, the temp HTML, temp TMP, and temp TXT files. So I'll just simply just pass temp HTML first. So this returns two values. The first one is a template, and second one is an error value. So this is coming from text templates from the standard library. So the standard library has two templates packages, text templates and HTML templates. So the two are basically the same thing, but the only difference is for HTML templates, it comes with some built-in safety measures. So if you are working on a web API, it's advisable to use HTML templates instead of text templates. So for me, we'll check for the error. So if there's an error, so we'll just log the error. Then we'll return. So to execute the template, we just call the function, the method execute on it. So execute takes in two parameters. The first one is a parameter that satisfies the IO writer interface. So we pass in OS standard output. Then the second one is a value of empty interface, which means any type. So for now, just pass in here. I made a mistake here. So we have to import package log and package OS. So if I run the code, let me first clear the console because I was trying it before. So clear the console. So if you run the code, so I'm getting an error. It's meant to be capital F, not small f. Parse files. So there we have it. So it is basically what I have inside my temp.html template. So we can pass multiple templates also. So I'll just add temp.temp and temp.txt. So to execute a particular template now, we have to specify the template. So we'll change this method to execute template instead of execute. And this one takes in three parameters. So we just have to just specify. Second parameter is the template you want to execute. So let me execute temp.txt this time around. So I run the code. And in my temp.txt, what I have is just simply this is a txt file. Then in my temp.temp, what I have is this. This is a temp file. So I'm executing my temp.txt. So I get this is a txt file. So a much smarter way to do things is, instead of us having to check for the error manually, there's an helper function in package templates called function must. So I can just wrap everything here inside template must. So template must does the error handling and throws a panic if there is an error somewhere. So this one just returns the template. So this is doing the error handling for us, so we don't need this particular block anymore, and we also don't need package log. So if I run the code, so I'm still getting this is a txt file. So and that smart way to do things is, instead of us, because let's assume that we have about 10 templates that we want to pass, so we have to put all the 10 templates into pass files, which is not really a smart way to do things, because the code might look somehow. So a smarter way to do things is just to put everything. So I'm going to create a new directory. I'll call it templates directory, templates. So I'll move my 3 templates into this directory. So now that I have the theorem inside this directory, now I want to serve this whole directory. And an easier way to do that is just, instead of function pass files, we'll be using a function pass globe. So function pass globe serves the whole directory and takes in a pattern. So a pattern of type string. So the pattern is just simply a path to where the templates are. So for my current directory, I'll move into templates and I'll do / asterisk. So this asterisk symbol means match all the templates inside this particular directory. So if I want to match only the .html files or only the .tmp file, I'll just put .html. So this is going to match only all the HTML files. Then .txt will match only all the txt files. So I'll just leave it as / So I'm matching all the templates in that directory. So I'll execute my temp instead of txt. So when we run the code, so great, we have this is a temp file. So the next thing now is embedding templates. So let's say that you're working on the web API and you have a lot of HTML files which all have the same header and footer. So if you want to make a cleaner code, you just add an H1 here. So I can just put school text and HTML templating, and this is good text templating, because HTML files are also templates, so I'll just say good text templating. So if you have a lot of files and they have the same header and same footer, so I can just simply do one thing. I can just simply copy everything here. I just simply cut everything here, and I'll come to my temp.tmp. So I'll just simply do, so I'll use the keyword define into two curly braces, into two pairs of curly braces, then header, then I'll paste it here, then I'll end it. Also the end keyword also into two pairs of curly braces, then I'll cut the footer also. And I'll come into my temp.txt. I'll also do the same thing. So I'll use the define keyword also, define footer. I'll paste it here and I'll end it. And in my temp.emp, let me see, I need to be in quotes. So to call the two of them, if I want to embed them into my temp HTML, I'll just simply use the template keyword, template, then the name header, then here also template, and then the name footer. So that's that for that. So I'll just execute my HTML. So you see what happens now. So these two are basically being embedded into. So my temp.tmp, the contents in this one and this one are basically being embedded into this one. So I'll execute this one and we'll see what happens. I'm making a mistake. Where is the mistake? So it is not running. So why am I making a mistake? Temp.html, template header. What's happening? Oh, typo error. I'm having header, but I'm not spelling the header very well. It's meant to be header header. Okay, so I have my template executed. So you see, this is the contents inside the temp.tmp embedded with the name header. And this is the content inside temp.txt embedded with the name footer. So that's embedding template. So I'll be stopping here for this video and we'll continue